I'm happy that our CSIR CCMB lab in Hyderabad, which is a very, very prestigious institution of CSIR, it has now got this collaboration done with this laboratory here for starting one attached, bio innovation activity under the Atal Innovation Program, which is another big activity being undertaken in this country. And that this is, I think, an ideal example of having good quality synergy, good quality coordination, collaboration, using optimally the resources, and also to overcome sometimes the technical issues that sometimes crop up when you want to develop something at one place. But now two places together can deliver significantly in helping our new people with those who have got bright innovative ideas in their mind. They want to work on those ideas, but they want to get the support. They want to become entrepreneurs. They want to discover things to help the society, help the people of the country, and then also to basically use those skills around innovation and their capacity and capability to produce something which will help people in a big way. This institution here is going to provide them with all sorts of support systems and all the incubators. They will have good support. The research that we do, it should have a good quality connect with people. It should have a potential to be able to, it should have the ability to get delivered to the people. It should have the ability to alleviate the suffering of the common man, or make the life of the common man better. And it has to be fundamental science is important, but translational science is also important, solution science is also important, people's science is also important, and impact factor has to be not only how many times your paper will be published or read, but it has to be how many more people or how many problems at the field level could be resolved because of the research that we have done. And another point which I have been emphasizing for last 6-7 years is that there should be a live connect to strengthen synergy between the various scientists of the scientific community within the various laboratories belonging to various departments in science and related areas regularly. It should not only be a theoretical academic thing where we put our research in the on the websites or at the relevant portals, but there should be a live man-to-man contact discussion on the various important key subjects that we work upon, and all that is getting, developed. It should be aggressively and proactively shared with the other colleagues working on the same subject in different laboratories.